If you're a part of a nonprofit organization, you probably know that food is a great way to motivate people to get out and join in on your events. But if you cook, handle, or serve that food, you may wonder, is what we're doing safe? What if someone gets sick? Well, don't worry. There are resources to help you put proper food safety precautions in place and prevent just that scenario. Hi, I'm Sharon McDonald, a senior extension educator and food safety specialist with Penn State Extension. Cooking for Crowds is a course that Penn State Extension, in collaboration with the Pennsylvania Department of Agriculture, Bureau of Food Safety and Laboratory Services, developed specifically to help organizations that rely on volunteers to plan, prepare, and serve food to the public understand the key role they play in food safety. Cooking for Crowds provides the information you need to implement proper food handling practices at your organization's events. Our goal is to reduce the risk of foodborne illness so you can enjoy your events and fundraisers. Sign up today.